Allows access to hard-to-reach areas. Replaces hard-to-use universal adapters. Exceeds ANSI specs torque max for universal socket adapters. Patented. Calvin Tools 90° 3/8" Gearless Angle Drive allows access to hard-to-reach areas. It replaces hard-to-use universal adapters. It exceeds the ANSI specs torque max for universal socket adapters. It is patented. Top reviews from the United States. This is a tool you should never return. This little thing provides a great amount of torque. It works for 90° right angle bolts. It's a collector piece for your toolbox. This is not a torque wrenching bit. Using a 3/8 socket with medium pressure is all it needs. This is for hard to reach places that a universal socket adapter cannot reach. I needed to remove a 10mm bolt that was blind and needed a right angle reach with extensions. There are people who do not like to reveal their secrets or specialty tools. This is one of those tools. Buy it, keep it and hide it from your friends.